There was a little bakery on a quiet street that most people didn't even notice. During the day, it looked like any other bakery. Every evening, just before closing, the old baker would make one special cookie. He never put it with other cookies, he always kept it behind the counter. One evening, a customer noticed it and asked, "What's so special about that cookie?" Baker smiled and said, "That one isn't really for sale." The customer laughed. "Then why do you make it?" The baker looked at him and said, "Because sometimes people need a little help believing in what they want." Customer was curious, so he asked if he could have it. Baker handed it to him and said, "Before you eat it, close your eyes and make a wish. But don't tell me what it is." Customer thought it was a little silly, but he decided to play along. He closed his eyes, made his wish, and ate the cookie. Then he went home and forgot all about it. A few weeks later, something unexpected happened. The wish he had made that night actually started coming true. Not like magic, it happened slowly, one little thing at a time. He couldn't believe it, so he went back to the bakery to thank the old baker. But when he got there, he asked, "How did you know my wish would come true?" The baker smiled. "I didn't. The cookie didn't make your wish happen. It just reminded you not to give up on it." The customer smiled and then asked, "Can I have another one?" "Sorry, everyone only gets one." Customer left the bakery smiling. And even today, people say there is a little bakery somewhere on a quiet street where the baker makes one special cookie every evening. Maybe it's just a story, but if you ever happen to see one cookie sitting behind the counter, you might want to make a wish.